How to use Storage Share on Samsung Smart TV. Storage Share is a new feature introduced on Samsung Smart TV in 2025. This feature allows you to access the storage of Galaxy devices and view their content on the large screen of your TV. This feature may not be available depending on the device model and One UI version. Make sure the Galaxy device you want to connect supports the Storage Share feature. To verify this, go to Settings. About Phone and check the software information. This feature is available on some, not all, devices running One UI 7.0 or later, and released after 2023. To use the Storage Share feature, it must be enabled on all devices you want to connect. Both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be turned on as well. In addition, all devices must be signed in with the same Samsung account. How to use Storage Share. Press the Home button on your TV remote to access the home screen. Press the left directional button and navigate to connected devices. Choose the desired device from the list of connected devices. Tap Allow on the pop-up window on your Galaxy device. You can now access your device's storage from your TV and browse the files. To disconnect, tap Stop Sharing Storage in the notification panel of your Galaxy device. How to turn on Storage Share on TV. Press the Home button on your TV remote to access the home screen. Press the left directional button on the remote to go to Settings, All Settings. Select Connections and press the down button on the remote to go to Storage Share. Tap the toggle switch to turn it on or off. How to turn on Storage Share on Galaxy device. On your Galaxy device, tap Settings, Connected devices. Find Storage Share and toggle it on.